Hi guys! Ma'am si Marian signing at our channel. Great morning! We are still in Iloilo. This afternoon pa yung flight back natin to Manila. Anyway, we were in SM Iloilo where there's a national bookstore. Ito. Since we have a budget for national bookstore books, so ito, we finally bought it. Nag-ex-deal tayo with our Uniqlo gift shop. So, meron tayong pang national bookstore. First is, and there's also a sale sa national bookstore. 25% off from books, no? I think all national bookstore. First one is the Serendipity Mindset. Ayan. The Art and Science of Creating Good Luck. Yan, medyo ano siya, makapal. And a journal, Burn After Writing. How honest can you be when no one is watching? So, mga journal prompts siya that you have to write in your journal. Ayan po ang ating 2 hauls from National Bookstore in SM Iloilo. Ayan, malayo ang narating natin this week. We are in SM Iloilo. Thank you for watching, guys. Keep on reading. Enjoy your books. Ma'am Shimaya logging out from our channel. Stay safe, everyone.